My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. We're making my stuffed calamari dish. The calamari is stuffed with mushrooms and the tentacles of the squid. I take some olive oil, just a little bit, let it heat up a little bit. I'm sauteing the mushrooms because I will use the mushrooms with the tentacles of the squid to stuff the squid. Mushrooms are done. And now I'm going to take the same pan. I'm going to put them in whole, and I'll cut them afterwards. You don't need any oil because water's going to come out of this in a second. It would be better if I had a cover. The tentacles, I just steamed them for 5 minutes. Some people are intimidated by calamari because they don't know what to do with them. And what I hope to do here is to take the intimidation away from it. So we're finishing making the stuffing now. So I have mushrooms cut in pieces, the tentacles of the calamari in pieces. Now I'm adding breadcrumbs and olive oil, a little salt. So now we're going to stuff the squid, or the calamari, I should say. You know what? It looks more tedious than what it is. You just need a little patience. I'm going to use my fingers. I'm not going to use this one. It'll be easier. And you can't overstuff these because if you stuff them too much, they will break. So now that the calamari is stuffed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a toothpick like that, this way. The stuffing will stay in while it's baking. So now we're going to get down to this. Just want to put a little bit of marinara sauce on the bottom for a little base. And then I'll put the rest of the tomato sauce on top once I'm done. So this is one of my favorite dishes for the Feast of the Seven Fish that's done around Christmas time. We're just about done here. Ready to go in the oven for about 45 minutes at 375. All right, so here we have the stuffed calamari, baked for 45 minutes. Now I just have to plate it and put some chives on it, and we're ready to go.